Hello everyone, this is Zuhra from infosharing360.com. Okay, so our interview question for today is how would you deal with a situation if a high performing employee has recently been underperforming? Well, in reply to this, we must say something like I would show historical performance details to the employee so that he or she can see the drop in the performance. I would ask why it has changed or why the performance has declined. After getting to know the reason, I would reaffirm my commitment to help the employee get back on track and offer actionable steps. Moreover, I would ask for the employee's input as well and draw an action plan for improvement accordingly. So, this is the complete answer. You can select keywords, points, or prepare answer in your own words as per your convenience. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel InfoSharing360. Thank you for watching this video.